Hey guys, what's up? A very good morning. Welcome to a new daily market outlook in which we're going to be discussing the dollar pairs and the dollar index alongside gold. So enjoy this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to join the free Discord server. Link is in the description down below. Okay guys, so currently looking at the dollar index, we are still extremely bullish. We saw that bullish daily candle closure yesterday. So yeah, at the moment, it's just going and going and going. Of course, I did seem as if the dollar index was starting to form or initiate that pullback back down in towards the downside, back towards structure to retest it. However, as we can see, we got a massive green, whatever you want to call it, rocket ship in the middle of structure. So yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes I'm on the wrong end as well. Can't always be right. That is trading. So looking at current structure, what is it that we're looking for? So at the moment, it does seem like the dollar index could move a little bit higher still in towards this area of support and resistance, which is also an area of imbalance. So this area of imbalance is kind of going to be my target for now, 95.815. After that, you can see that we're going to get into that choppy range over here, which was previously a little bit of choppy price action in between 95.815 and the high 97 region. So probably once we reach that area, we will get that pullback in before potentially moving up higher in towards that 97.5 region. So yeah, that's it for the dollar index. Let's go to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar. So as you guys know, we're still in that bullish range on Aussie dollar. However, looking at current market structure, what we can see is that we just missed that zone from where I was expecting a potential pullback. So remember, these are my 4 areas of supply, and as you guys can see, we just missed that first zone by a few pips. So it is what it is. Was looking for a short from that region, but sadly did not take anything. At the moment, what am I expecting? Well, we could still move up higher, not sure really, but at the moment we are forming some descending price action, so we could potentially just keep on correcting until we move up higher first. Wouldn't be surprised if we do. So yeah, let's see. Let's head on to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys. So euro dollar yesterday, it just absolutely tanked in towards the downside. So currently stalling in this low area of 4-hour demand, going in towards the weekly. What we know in the weekly time frame is that we are currently located in this overall minor or area of demand, let me put it that way. So yeah, I am expecting a pullback still from this entire region, but as we can see, this entire region is just massive. So I refined a 4-hour zone over here from 1.37 something up towards 1.13874, excuse me, 13. So yeah, looking at that zone, as we can see, that is kind of like the last zone before once again heading down lower, and then after that we've got a lot of multiple zones like over here, over here, over here, everywhere. So yeah, I'm not really going to dive too much into that price action, otherwise we could be going on for hours. But what I do know is that we are currently located in an area of 4-hour demand, so we could see some kind of bullish reaction from it, but I'll just have to wait. Not really a fan of trading euro dollar at the moment due to the impulsive nature of price, and we could easily just correct a little bit and then boom, crash down again. So just going to stay out for my own safety. So let's head over to our next pair, which is pound dollar. And pound dollar, so pound dollar has been moving up nicely as expected, moving towards that area of supply, which I'm waiting for it to get hit. And yeah, essentially I'm just going to be waiting for supply to get hit before waiting for any potential shorts. That is kind of it. In the meantime, you could look for some longs, but yeah, I'm not personally a fan of doing that. I'm just going to be waiting for us to reach those higher time frame areas of supply. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar reacted perfectly to my area of supply, as you guys can see. Yeah, beautiful. Was expecting a reaction from it, and we currently have seen that reaction. So expecting further downside from Kiwi dollar, waiting for it to push in towards this overall greater range before seeing that real reversal back up in towards the highs. So yep, that's Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to the next pair and the last pair, which is gold. And gold is still stalling at my area of supply, as you guys know. Choppy price action in towards the highs. This is some classic price action that you'll get before seeing a major correction. So yeah, what would you guys say? I mean, it is looking good for a further push down still, in my opinion. Of course, the bullish nature of gold, or gold is bullish by nature. It is still looking good to move up higher in towards these higher regions. If we look at the higher time frame, but just looking at the lower time frame, in combination with that overextended move, I still would not be surprised if we do start seeing correction. So yeah, this essentially what you're seeing over here is just a smaller version of what we had over here, right? You can see, so that descending ascending is up, ascending corrective price action. Problem with ascending corrective price action is that it can go on for a very long time, and that it does not need to happen. Look, over here we had long-term ascending price action, boom, up, then another kind of ascending correction before the real drop. So as you guys can see, it doesn't mean necessarily that we are going to push down lower. In the past, we've also had it over here, then one more push up, then the push down. So yeah, let's see, guys. Very curious to see how this plays out. Just going to be waiting for a simple structure break before really getting into any positions. So at the moment, not really a fan of trading it. Let me put it that way. We'll just be waiting. But once we see that structural break, I will be looking for those shorts in towards the downside. So yeah, that's it from gold, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to join the VIP community or the normal community, of course. Always there to answer your questions. Hope you have a fantastic day, and we will speak soon. Thanks, guys.